Samantala, patuloy na poprotektahan ng pamahalaan ang kapakanan ng publiko. Inihayag po ito ni PCO Secretary Sunny Coloma kasunod ng ulat ng Energy Regulatory Commission. Sobra at hindi makatwiran ang presyong ipinataw ng Wholesale Electricity Spot Market o WESM sa kuryente nitong Nobyembre hanggang Disyembre ng nakaraang taon na nagdulot naman ng mataas na singil sa kuryente ng Meralco. Narito ang pahayag ni Secretary Coloma.
Sir.
Good afternoon. We note the manifestation made today by the Energy Regulatory Commission, ERC, to the Supreme Court regarding its March 3, 2014 order ruling that the prices in the wholesale electricity spot market, or WESM, during the period covering the Malampaya shutdown could not qualify as, quote, reasonable, rational, and competitive, unquote. Hence, the ERC has ordered the imposition of regulated prices in lieu of the voided rates. This ruling covers Luzon WESM prices and excludes Meralco in view of the Supreme Court's temporary restraining order. We note further that this ruling is the outcome of ERC's inquiry into the behavior of market players during the shutdown that preceded Meralco's imposition of the questioned power rate adjustments. We note finally that the ERC exercised government's police power to stop the imposition of, quote, excessive, exorbitant, unreasonable, or very high prices, unquote, of electricity in compliance with its mandate under the EPIRA. We affirm government's commitment to protect the citizens' welfare by ensuring stable and reasonable electricity prices.